There's so much to know about building a custom home that it can be overwhelming. If you're interested in seeing what it's like to be a luxury custom home builder and you want to learn more about the process of building custom homes, you're in the right place. I'm Dan Nagy, founder of Emmett Leo Homes. My goal is to make home building more transparent by showing you an honest and real behind the scenes look at building custom homes, as well as help educate you about how to be a more informed build client, contractor, or soon to be home builder. I share about what works for us and our processes, the mistakes we've made, the issues within our industry, and how you can protect yourself by knowing more.
Because knowledge is power!
Come along with me on our journey as we grow our luxury home building company while building some incredible homes. Feel free to ask questions at any time, and I'll help as much as I can to make sure you get the greatest amount of value for your time spent with me here. We have a community of over 30,000 subscribers, and I'm so thankful that you're here with us.